Are you tired of manually setting your overclock settings every time you switch a coin and it's utilizing a different algorithm? Or you forgot the most efficient settings altogether and you gotta hit the Google machine and look up another Rabid Mining guide on how to overclock your GPU? There's no need to be that guy. You are not alone and I am here to help. In today's guide, I'm going to show you how you can set preset overclocks in HiveOS so when you do swap a coin, all it does take is a couple clicks of the button and you are up and running in no time at all. Welcome to the Rabid Mining YouTube channel where I make your life easier. Alright guys, what is going on? Rabid here. Please hit that subscribe button, thumbs up, and bell notification to be notified for future videos. And today, I'm going to be showing you how to utilize templates in HiveOS to make overclocking much easier. So this should be a fairly quick video, but I'll try to slow it down a little bit. Some people do say I talk a little fast at times, so we'll see how this goes. So I'm going into my Octominer rig. I am mining Ethereum. All my settings and everything are all set. Now, if I want to save this, this is by far the easiest way to save this. So I can just click overclocking up top here. I'm going to hit save as a template. I'm going to name this, test video right here. Test video. I'm going to save that. Now it's all set. Now, if I want to just load this up by mining Ravencoin, I need to come back to Ethereum and I forgot my settings. Well, I can just load this from the template. There's my test video. Hit apply and it's good to go. My Ethereum settings are now implemented across all my GPUs. Now this way is a little bit tougher, but if you know exactly which GPU and everything you have in here, for example, you can see GPU 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way down to 11 for a total of 12 GPUs. Now if we go back here and we click overclocking templates, we can just add an OC template. We are going to have to do everything manually, so I'm just going to go video test again, video test. Click on that, save it, and now you can see we have a blank sheet here. So we're going to click the little pencil icon, which is edit, and now you do have to make sure you know exactly which order your GPUs are in. You can pick NVIDIA or an AMD. So again, depending which GPU order they are, you have to keep in track. So let's go for a quick example here. We're trying to put 1200 core clock for an absolute core clock on 3 of the GPUs, and one we want minus 450. So I'm going to go 1200, 1200, 1200, and then space. Now you see minus 450. So what this is going to imply is on the first 3 GPUs, they're going to have a locked core clock at 1200, and then the fourth one is going to have a minus 450 core clock going onto it. They all go in order. You just leave a space. This play is a little harder. It works the same way for your memory, your power limits, everything down the list. You just put a space and then that'll go gradually down the list per GPU. So again, to recap, 0, 1, 2, and 3 for your GPU order. Now the same thing does apply for AMD. You have to go in the same order. So if you're doing core clocks here of say, let's go 1200 again on a couple GPUs. We're going 1200 here, but now our core state, we want 1, 1, and 3 maybe. Then, this will apply. GPU 0 will have a core state of 1. GPU 1 will have a GPU state or a core state of 1. And GPU 2 will have a core state of 3 for a total of 3 GPUs because the numbers do start at 0, 0, 1, 2. Again, this is a lot harder way to do. The best way and easiest way to do is how I initially showed you by going into here, then just adjusting your overclocks one by one right here. Then once you finally get them all, they're all looking nice and stable. Then you can just go in, overclock, and save your template as any name you want, hit save, and it'll be saved. So let's just show you an example of what I mean. So I'm going to go to my flight sheet here and I'm going to scroll on over and we're going to start mining Flux right now. So bam, we're on Flux. It uses more core than Ethereum does. So instead of manually going through all this, I already have a preset template. I'm going to load this from the template. I'm going to load Octominer Beast Flux, apply that. And now we're going to see, I'm going to go into my overview and you can see here, I now have 400, 200, 150, 175. All my overclocks across the board have changed. And now I want to go right back to Ethereum. A week goes by. I don't want to mine no Flux no more. Now I got to go back into Ethereum. I'm clicking the Octominer Beast. It's loaded up. Now I got to set my overclocking for this thing. And it makes it so easy just by going back. Octominer Beast Ethereum. Apply my settings. Let it load for a little bit here. Sometimes it likes to take its time by the looks of things. So hurry up. You can do your thing. overclock, and now you can see we're at 950, 1200 absolute core, minus 450. All my power limits arrived, so everything is back in line based on my template. It's that easy to set up rigs very fast. There we go, guys. So that is it. It is that simple to set up your overclocking templates in HiveOS to make life that much easier. So please, if this helped you out in any way, or you know someone else that may benefit from this, be sure to share it around Reddit, Facebook, wherever, all throughout the internet world, and hit that subscribe button, thumbs up button, and bell notification. I'll see you guys on the next one. Rabid out. Thank you for watching, everyone. If you haven't, please comment, subscribe, and like this video, as well as check out one of these other videos if you have not seen it yet. I do try to stream every Saturday and Sunday, so stay tuned for more future content.